History students, I'll be reading the week 1 quiz for the Read Aloud group who would like a recording of this quiz. We'll be going through and reading the quiz question itself and then the answer options. This quiz has a total of 7 questions worth 2 points each for a total of 14 points. Question number 1, fill in the blank. Blank are documents provided to you at the start of each week that will help you prepare to take your weekly quiz and unit test. They will include questions to answer about important topics from that week's content. Quizzes, U.S. History assistance documents, study guides, or quiz answer sheets. Question number 2. What is the name of the online textbook for U.S. History? The Story of the Great United States, The U.S. and You, History Comes Alive, There is No Textbook for U.S. History, or The American Odyssey. Question number 3, where can you find what work to complete each week in U.S. History? Click on the assignments in the course menu. All of the options listed here. Click on modules in the course menu to find the weekly module. Check the course announcements on the home page. Question number 4, which statement best describes the late assignments policy for U.S. History? All work must be submitted and will lock the day it is due. No assignments will be accepted after their original due date. Only quizzes lock at 11:59 p.m. the day they are due. All other weekly assignments will lock on the second Sunday following the due date. All work will be open until the last day of the quarter. All work will be open all year for submission. Question number 5, how many times can you retake a quiz without contacting your teacher? 4 times, as long as each retake is completed within 24 hours of the previous attempt. 1 retake, you have a first attempt and a second attempt, which is your retake. Quizzes will not be reset for a third attempt. 0 times, you must contact your teacher each time you want to retake it. As many times as you would like. Each quiz has unlimited retakes. Question number 6. What temporary landmass linking Siberia and Alaska is thought to have allowed hunter-gatherers to migrate from Asia to North America? Nomadia, Siberian Connection, the Sebaskan Peninsula, or Beringia? Question 7. What effect did the geography and climate of America have on the culture of Native American groups? It impacted material use and intellectual culture, what they use for shelter and clothes, as well as some of their religious beliefs. It caused all Native tribes to be the same. It was responsible for their disappearance long before European explorers arrived. It determined whether or not they could record a written history of their people. This is the last question. Once you are done, you want to make sure that you submit the quiz so it will show up successfully in your instructor's gradebook. Good luck on your quiz.